Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft cinema director chair in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a special event that called Dreamlike Cinematic, and at this event you can get any special items. One of them is cinema director chair, and to get it or to craft it, it's very easy. First, just go to your workbench and then tap on craft, and then just choose the recipe of cinema director chair like this. Make sure you already have the recipe like this. You can just get this recipe, this furniture recipe from the Dreamlike Cinematic Battle Pass, and after that just complete all the materials. You need timber and then quality timber and then light and shadow material pack, and after that just adjust the amount, and then after that just tap on craft to craft it. Tap on hold to continue, and then just wait a moment until the process is done. And just like that, your cinema director chair is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.